towards you.
Flip toward me? Oh, hey.
You can see yourself. Yeah.
Hey, y'all.
Watch that.
Say hi, Christian.
My name is Riley. Hi. Hi.
Hi, my name is
Hi.
Here.
What's up, guys? What's up?
Hello. The camp video. Look at you guys are proving yourselves. Hey.
I don't do that.
I was following the eye, 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 was following the eye.
Are you in the shower? Wait a
To keep their little heads from falling in the snow, and I turn around.
Get out of bed. Get out of bed. Guys, how much do you guys love camp?
I love it.
You love it? How excited are you guys to be canoeing today?
So excited.
So excited. Guys, say Cabin 10 Star Girls. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
With scarves of red tied round their throats to keep their little heads from falling in the snow. And I turned round and there you go. And Michael, you would fall and turn the white snow red. Strawberries in summertime.
I shaved my jacket.
River, what's up? Say hi to the vlog.
Are you sure, Mia?
Wait, say that again.
This is my friend Mia.
Yeah, we're best friends.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. This is best friend River. And this is best friend. There we go. River, what's going on right now? What are we doing right now? Nude! How are we pairing you guys up?
By 2 girls and 2 boys.
Didn't you want to canoe with us though? Boys. Oh!
Alright, guys. You're with the big Ricky. We're about to do canoeing. It's a beautiful day. What else? The sky's lovely today. I don't know if you guys can see. It's beautiful. The water looks absolutely cold. Don't want to get in it. If I ruin my shoes, I'm gonna cry. And yeah.
How are we feeling, girls?
Good. Excited.
How are we
Hopefully we don't
feeling?
somehow embarrassed.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good. How are we feeling?
Good.
Good. How are we feeling?
Yeah. Cold.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Paddle.
Told me there's a girl out there with love in her eyes and fly.
Maddie, other way. Maddie, go from knee to butt. Knee to butt.
Keep going. Other way.
Knee to butt.
That way.
Start forward and go backward. Why are you?
Girls, the other way.
River, go on. River, paddle on the other side.
Took my chances on a big jet plane.
Other way.
Not turn around. Always
Oh.
face forward.
River, paddle on the other side. Switch sides.
There you go.
She was red and the sky was green.
River!
Go, Mia.
Yeah! Oh, Lord! I got it.
You failed. Go, everyone! Olive! Okay, wait, before she takes... Wait, she's gonna take the picture, but after, don't move, okay?
All's over there by a tree taking photos.
Olive!
We got Corinne here in the cut. We got Mia in the cut. We got Sanjay in the cut. We got Sanjay's friend in the cut. What's your name? I don't know your name.
How dare you?
Okay. Danica? Danica in the cut. Let's go. We got, what's your name?
Violet.
We got Violet in the cut. We got Addison in the cut. What's your name?
Araya.
We got Araya in the cut. Is it all been me? Is it all been toward me?
No.
We got, what's your name? Amberly. We got Amberly in the cut.
Standing on the hill in the mountain of dreams, telling myself it's not as hard as it seems.
How was that?
How's camp going so far, y'all? How's it going? Great? Is it going great? Yeah?
Yep.
Yep. Are you having the best time ever?
Yes.
Is Mia and Corinne the best counselors ever?
Better than the best.
Better than the best. High praise. What about you? How's it going, buddy?
Good.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Ricky,
What's up,
how's it
man?
going?
Chilling.
Chilling?
Feeling a little.
Jacob, how's it going?
All good.
Dylan?
Hi. Hi to the future. Is he
Immaculate.
filming?
I've sunscreen in my eyes. Hold this. Oh my
Stag
God.
to Sabretooth. Do you copy? This is Sabretooth. I copy. You have to say better. Oh, I'm sorry. What do you want me to say? I copy over.
Hold this. I have sunscreen in my eyes. Hold on.
Embarrassing.
Hold the camera. Take the camera. Oh, wait, hold on. We need to see this. I have sunscreen in my eyes.
Everybody needs to do that. Okay, guys. You can zoom in on the top.
Oh, wait.
Dude.
Oh my God. Someone call my mom. I have sunscreen in my eyes. Oh my God.
It's a video?
Someone call my mom. No.
Girls, keep walking.
Sorry, yeah.
I have eye drops in the cabin. I have. Take it out. I can make you take video.
Hello.
Hollis.
That's not the one.
This is a video. You know that, right?
I just ate an Oreo that was moldy.
It wasn't moldy, but it was.
You said it was moldy.
It had dirt all over it.
I ate stuff off the floor. Hey, I got it in the first try.
Corinne? Oh, she's still.
I got it on the first try.
Oh my land. It is way too close to me. What do I do?
I don't know.
Final day of camp, just let the kids
Megan,
go
get in
for
the
it.
box.
Corinne's a baddie.
Tell us, how was your camp experience?
Good.
What made it so great?
Just right now when that girl talked to me about rocks.
That girl talked to you about rocks. What did she say about rocks?
She told me what 3 different kinds, but I don't know.
That's amazing. What was your favorite activity during camp?
Fishing or archery?
Who was your favorite counselor, Ricky or Isaac?
Megan. I can't say Megan. And Mia and Curry. I don't know how to say her name. I forgot.
Who's that? How much you love camp?
But I love you more. Y'all say go slay. Say hi to the vlog. Oh. I stole Mia's fingy, whatever it's called. Stole it on the way. Yeah. I had that too. Yeah, I know. I stole Mia's. We're at Gaga Pit right now. See you live.
Whispers in vain. control. Love which you name as
What are you doing? I don't know what I just did. Don't ask me. What does this button do? What? Oh, I switched the camera over. What the? Wait, what does this do? I can push.
We will, I don't know if you guys can see me. I'll talk to you guys later.